We will go straight to our feed from the World Championships in Eugene, Oregon.
0.88 this season. There were a few question marks over Dina Asher-Smith arriving here this year, but the fastest qualifier in the heats with 10.84 has answered some of those questions. The world champion over 200 metres is back in tip-top shape. Here's TT Terry. Her T-babies are in the crowd. It's a nickname, nothing to do with me. Gail Devers can take the credit for that one. World Junior silver medalist 4 years ago. And there'll be a lot of excitement on the island of St. Lucia for Julienne Alfred, NCAA champion, joint 4th fastest in the world this year with 10.81. Great season. Shericka Jackson, Jamaican national champion with 10.77, and she won the 200, becoming the 3rd fastest woman in history. She's in cracking form. Saini of Nigeria, African champion. She goes in 7. And Watcher on the outside in lane 8 for Nigeria. Saini, by the way, is Niger, I beg your pardon, not Nigeria. So, this is an absolutely stacked semi-final. Ahore, Ivory Coast in 1, Nelson, Jamaica in 2, Asher-Smith in your picture there, Great Britain in 3, Terry, USA in 4, Alfred, St. Lucia 5, Jackson, Jamaica 6, Saini, Niger in 7, Ngwacha, Nigeria in 8. Only 2 of these world-class women will be coming back for the final as of right. Asher-Smith in 3 was the quickest qualifier from the heats. Jackson in 6, 3rd from the left as we look there, is having the best season of her career. The first of 3 semi-finals in the women's 100 metres. Now, this is Shakin' Stevens' time. To the naked eye, that wasn't immediately obvious to me. Was it to you, Gail Devers?
It was not. I need to see the replay.
Usually you get a gut instinct when you're using your peripheral vision on those starts, and I couldn't see to the naked eye where the problem came. Oh, and that could be such a shame. Julienne Alfred in lane 5. If it's a quicker reaction than 0.1 of a second, that should, in theory, be a disqualification. And that would be awful for the youngster. The NCAA champion has had an amazing season. She's right in the centre of your picture in the white.
Yes.
Yep. It's very, very, very marginal. But on that replay, you can see it. You can't there because it is so fine. What a shame.
You think, you know, she's young and the nerves get to you at that point. We always tell the kids, it's like, you cannot anticipate the gun, but you have to react to it. And if you anticipate, you're done, and she's out.
Do you know what? My heart always goes out to athletes in that situation, because she's had an amazing season. She's worked so hard to get here. And what a brilliant moment that would have been for the island of St. Lucia had she got into the final. Okay. We go again without Alfred. She'll learn the lessons and hopefully she'll bounce back stronger. She's a wonderful athlete. Ahore, Ivory Coast in 1. Nelson, Jamaica 2. Asher-Smith, Great Britain in 3. Terry, USA in 4. 5 is now empty. 6, Jackson of Jamaica. Saini of Niger in 7. Ngwacha, Nigeria in 8. Jackson will be 3rd from the left. 10.77 to win the Jamaican Championships. Asher-Smith 3rd from the right, the fastest qualifier. Which 2 of these women is coming back for the final? This time they're away. Jackson's got away brilliantly, and now Dina Asher-Smith coming into a running, and Terry trying to stay with them. But it's Dina Asher-Smith and Shericka Jackson dipping Asher-Smith on the line. Let's look at the time. Oh my gosh. 10.84. She came through so well. Asher-Smith in 2nd. TT Terry will have to wait to see whether she can get one of the non-automatic qualifiers.
And you see Shericka's face. She looks like, this is just business. I'm just getting to the final. No big deal.
10.84 to 10.89. Twanisha Terry, 11.04.
She didn't have the best start. And, you know, a lot of times nerves goes into play when somebody false starts next to you, because you have to readjust and get yourself back focused to say, don't anticipate, react. Yeah, Dina got out. Shericka just moved in the middle as she does, picked them up slowly. That's the last 30 meters. They're making sure that they're just getting to the finish line. Shericka actually pulled up slowly just to let you know that I'm just going round by round. It doesn't count to the final. They both look relaxed.
And great win there for Shericka Jackson. We take a break here on a Primetime News Package. When we come back, we'll have sports.